Hi, it's Rita Wilkins again, the Downsizing Designer. So just look at you. You've done so much deep work already. In step 1, you identified your sentimental clutter. In step 2, you reflected on the meaning that you attached to it. And then in step 3, you began letting go without the guilt. And then lastly, in step 4, you started using tools and systems to make decluttering easier and more sustainable. Now here we are in step 5, and that's appreciating what you choose to keep. So this step is your moment to pause, to breathe, to look around and say, this is what matters most to me. So when I started my own downsizing journey, I let go of 95% of what I once owned. I donated furniture, I gave away books, I cleared out closets full of clothes, shoes, kitchenware, you name it. I gave it to people who needed it or wanted it. And honestly, at first, it was feeling a little bit like a loss. But when I walked into my new smaller space, with only the pieces that I truly loved, I felt something I hadn't felt in years, and that was freedom. I kept one small music box from my childhood. It plays a simple tune. Every time I hear it, it makes me smile because I think of my sister and I dancing around the living room. That memory brings me joy, and now the object does too. So I didn't keep that object out of guilt. I kept it with intention, and that's the difference. So, and what this step is about is choosing what stays in your home and in your life, and doing that on purpose. So right now I want you to look around at what remains of the things that you've decided to keep. Pick one item that stayed and ask yourself, does this reflect who I am today? Does it bring me peace? Does it make me smile, make me laugh? Does it inspire me? Does it bring me joy? And is it helping me to create the life that I want to live right now? You see, minimalism isn't about having nothing, it's about having what matters and letting that be enough. So when you curate your belongings with intention, you no longer feel weighed down by the past, you feel supported by what surrounds you. So every time you choose to keep, everything you choose to keep, I should say, is a reflection of your values, of your journey, and of your future. And that's not just decluttering, that's lifestyle design. So you'll also find the complete 5-step guide attached to this email. It's yours to keep and to use anytime you want to get a fresh start or feel like you need to walk through that process again. So today, take a moment to truly see the things that you've kept. Let them shine. Let them remind you of who you are today, what's important to you right now. So in the next email, I'm going to check in on your progress. No pressure, just a gentle conversation about where you are, what might be holding you back, and how to keep going. So I'll introduce a little community support and some encouragement for you to reconnect if you've lost momentum. So this journey isn't just about stuff, it's about your story, and I'm grateful to have been some small part of it.